Have you ever wondered why enriching the soil is paramount in a permaculture garden? In permaculture, the main focus is always on the soil. It's not just about growing plants, it's about building a rich, thriving ecosystem right beneath our feet. A permaculture garden is teeming with life, not just above the ground but below it as well. Imagine a world of beneficial microbes, fungi, worms and other organisms working in harmony to create a nutrient-rich, fertile soil. This is the heart of a permaculture garden, and it's what sets it apart from conventional gardening methods. A healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving ecosystem. It leads to plants that are more robust, yields that are larger, and a garden that is more resilient to pests, diseases, and changes in the weather. In essence, enriching the soil is like investing in a natural, sustainable future for your garden. Now we will introduce you to 7 plants that can help enrich your soil. Here are 7 plants that are excellent at enriching the soil in your permaculture garden. First up is clover. This unassuming little plant is a powerhouse when it comes to fixing nitrogen. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient for plants, and clover has the ability to take nitrogen from the air and store it in the soil. This makes clover an excellent partner for other plants, providing them with the nitrogen they need to grow. Next on our list is comfrey. This plant is known for its deep tap roots, which enable it to mine nutrients from deep within the soil. By bringing these nutrients to the surface, comfrey makes them available to other plants, enhancing the overall fertility of the soil. Our third soil enricher is borage. Besides being a beautiful addition to any garden, borage is a fantastic pollinator attractor. It draws in beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, which not only help with pollination but also contribute to the overall health of the soil. Fourth, we have alfalfa. Like comfrey, alfalfa has deep roots that can break up compacted soil, improving its structure. This allows for better water infiltration and root penetration, both of which are crucial for healthy plant growth. The fifth enricher is mustard. This plant acts as a natural biofumigant, helping to control soil-borne pests and diseases. By doing so, mustard contributes to the creation of a healthy soil environment where plants can thrive. Our sixth plant is the daikon radish. This radish is excellent at breaking up hardpan, a compacted layer of soil that can hinder root growth. By breaking up this layer, daikon radish helps to improve soil structure, making it more conducive for plant growth. Finally, we have buckwheat. Buckwheat is a fantastic green manure, meaning it adds organic matter to the soil. This improves the soil's fertility, ensuring a nutrient-rich environment for your plants. These are just a few examples of the many plants that can help enrich your soil in a permaculture garden. To sum up, enriching the soil in your permaculture garden is a fundamental step towards a thriving ecosystem. It's not simply about planting and harvesting, it's about fostering a symbiotic relationship with the soil, feeding it as much as it feeds us. This nurturing approach is what separates permaculture from other gardening practices. And what better way to enrich the soil than with the help of nature itself? We've covered 7 remarkable plants that can help revitalize your garden's soil. From the nitrogen-fixing properties of clover and alfalfa to the deep-rooted comfrey, which brings up nutrients from the subsoil. We've also talked about the dynamic accumulators like yarrow and dandelion, and the biomass creators, such as sunflowers and rye. Each plant brings a unique benefit, enhancing the soil's fertility and promoting a rich, diverse ecosystem under our feet. Remember, a healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. So why not add some of these soil-enriching plants to your garden this season?